I'm Sainath Manikandan, studying in grade 5B1. I'm here to explain about Echo Club because I'm a member of Echo Club. Does anyone know the meaning of Echo Club? Echo? Yeah?
Save plants and plant more trees to save life.
We're going to learn more about environment. Echo Club means environment. Echo means environment. So club means environmental club. So in this environmental club, we learn more about environment and you learn how to save environment by doing these things. Plant a tree for free. So does anyone know the meaning of it? Yeah?
We should plant more trees to get oxygen to live.
Yeah. Yeah.
If we plant, we can live forever.
Doesn't mean like that we'll be like the mother earth will have more trees so that we'll get more water. Trees try to bring water from the mother earth to the mother earth so that we'll have more water to drink and all.
Because it helps in the process of evaporation.
Yeah. Electricity. Think, act and save. Does anyone know the meaning of think and act and then save? Yeah.
Electricity costs. We should save electricity by using little bit of it. But we should not keep if we're in the room. If we put some light on, it's dark. But when we are going, we don't go there without turning off the light. It will lose electricity, so we should turn off the light.
Yeah, that means like when you're using electricity, first you think if it's needed or not. And then you gotta act. And then you can save. If you think well and then act, and then you can save Mother Earth. Water. Water is life. Do not waste it. Does anyone know the meaning? Correct me.
Water is so useful to us that we must not waste it. It's also good for our health.
Yeah. Anyone else? Yeah?
It's clean our body.
Yeah, like if we have more water, we can live. Water is very essential for our body to live. It makes us live healthy, as he told. It makes us healthy to live and lead a happy life. So, can anyone give a summary about what we learned? Yeah.
We were learning about that if we save trees that we can breathe, we can save electricity and how water is so precious that we need to save it well.
Our environment. Yeah, we learned about our environment and how do you save it. Yeah, so will you put these all things in your life? Will you
Yes. Yes.
So these are cards, so I call each one and then take a pledge. So stand up and then take a pledge. What's written on it? Say that. I take a pledge that water is life and I'll not waste it.
I take a pledge that water is life, don't waste it.
So now you have to put this in hand. As you took a pledge, you got to do it. You
Plant a tree for free.
Yeah, so you have to plant a tree near your house if there's any space and you can save your mother. So there are lots of cards about environment which you have to take pledge on. So will you do these all things?
Yes.
So thank you.